Hey, Pleasant Grove High School. Let's talk about the high school portfolio. So, what is the high school portfolio? A lot of freshmen don't know this yet. So, let's start at pghs.net, click Students and Families, and then High School Portfolio. From here, you can see the webpage that reviews what the portfolio is. It reviews the graduate profile, your online reflection, your presentation, and your essay that you will be writing your senior year. So, let's talk about the website. This is a sample of what your portfolio is going to look like. It's an online portfolio. You're going to have your resume on it, your reflective research paper, you're going to write your senior year, and also you're going to have these different reflections that you're going to write freshman, sophomore, and junior year. As you can see on this high school portfolio homepage, at the top, you can click, "What do I need to do?" And this is going to show you a really easy guide to not really stress you out. You can see you're creating a website, submitting the website, completing reflection windows, writing a summative letter, publishing your website, and then submitting your reflection windows. So let's first talk about creating a website. When you click that link, you're able to make a copy of a template. This makes it incredibly easy for you. Once you click Make a Copy, if you can't find it in your drive, click Recent. Some helpful information about making your website. You don't have to use that template. If you want to use Canva or anything else, go right ahead. Just make sure that you stick with all of the important sections that you need to complete. Once you've made the copy, it's really important that you change the sharing settings so that everyone, all EGOSD staff, can view their website. This is important because your advocacy teacher and other teachers on campus are going to be checking your progress throughout your high school career. So now that you have the sharing settings done, let's talk about adding reflections to your online portfolio because you're going to be writing several of them each school year. On the template that you made, you can see that all of the reflections fit with the graduate profiles and it gives you a step-by-step guide on what to add. After you have made your website and changed the sharing settings, it's really important that you submit your website, even if you haven't edited it or changed anything. This is important so that teachers can make sure that you have completed step one, basically just creating your own website. You must be logged on to your at egusd.net account and just make sure that you double check the sharing settings, publish your website, name your website, and then after you have done those three things, you're able to access a link for your website after you hit publish. Click the link button, copy link, and then paste it into that Google form. Again, this is something that you should be doing your freshman year before you've even really edited anything on your website. Now, when it comes to writing the reflections, click that link under step 3. This page is going to take you to a very detailed step-by-step guide on prompt 1, 2, and 3 for each of your reflection windows. It's also going to tell you about how many you should have by the end of each year. After writing about 2 your freshman year, sophomore year, and senior year, make sure that you fill out the portfolio progress check and click on the 2 different reflection windows or the reflections that you wrote. Now, what are you going to do your senior year? Because most of this is happening your freshman, sophomore, and junior year. Your senior year, you do have a to-do list. You're going to be working on a resume, a cover letter, a presentation, and an essay. Now, if you believe you qualify for an exemption, there is an exemption. But the exception form or the exemption form is for students who may be new to the school or missed part of their school year, like freshman year or sophomore year. Make sure you read detailed instructions. And thank you, Eagles, for watching.